custom model. There we go. As I've been training humans for the last 4 years, automate trading here in the boot camp, just so everybody is aware of what's going on here, what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go ahead and get it. It's the first of the year. Let's go, dude. Introduction to Eliza. If you don't know what Eliza is, it is an AI framework that allows us to communicate over Discord, Telegram, Twitter. Okay, and then you're able to build an agent that has actions, and those actions can do anything like fill out forms. My obvious use case is algo trading. I'm a trader, so I'm building agents for traders. I've been working at this for a week. I built all of this stuff in a language I actually don't know. I'm a Python developer, so I learned TypeScript in order to get it all built in. Yesterday, I ran into a block. Well, I've been running into a block for the last 3 days with getting it implemented into the actual agent. So I have all of my core algorithmic trading functions. Well, not all of them, but some of them that are ready in TypeScript, ready to launch to Eliza in TypeScript. But as I'm going through this, dude, I'm starting to think this is a little... Yes, it's hard. It's hard to work on somebody else's package. That's fine. I'm going to keep building for this. I have it built. I just need to figure out how to get it in. But I want to explore another route as well, because not only have people said, yo, build your own, build your own. I'm starting to feel like focus is very important. Eliza is trying to do everything. Eliza is a powerful multi-agent simulation framework designed to create, deploy, and manage autonomous AI agents built with TypeScript. It provides a flexible and extensible platform for developing intelligent agents that can interact across multiple platforms and maintain consistent personalities and knowledge. To be real, dude, that is so much fluff that I don't need. I'm building agents to trade for me. The last 4 years, I've shown you step by step how to automate your trading. The next 4 years, I am teaching my agents how to do that. So let's look through Eliza documentation just quickly. You can see there's a character system. I couldn't care less about a character system. I'm getting hung up on a character system. The RAG retrieval. Okay, that's sick, but I am going to have my own RAG. So I don't know if I'm out on Eliza. I'm not saying that, and I'm not trying to drag anybody here. I think there's shipping, which is so sick, dude, because most people don't ship, dude. So much love to them. I'm going to get up in their Discord and try to get this problem fixed to actually get my functions there, and then I can actually submit the pull request. I do want to support them, as, you know, they're going hard. But if you read through this whole page, there's nothing about trading. So why am I wasting my time fiddling around for the last 3-4 days trying to build for a platform that doesn't, it's not even focused on trading, dude. It's not even focused on trading. Like, what am I doing? You guys called this out early, and that's why I appreciate working with you guys. It's like, don't build for them. Build your own stuff. Build your own stuff. Okay. I'm going to give a hack at building my own stuff for maybe a couple days, maybe equal amount of time. How long have I been coding for Eliza here? Let's go ahead and just count it up, because I don't know, dude. I don't know. But let's just go look at it. I've got, okay, 6 hours, 10 hours, 10.5, 11 hours really. 11 hours, 14, 11 plus 5, 4 is 15. Okay, this I diverted into ZeroPi, but I'm throwing that on there. 19, 21, 26, 26, 30, 35. Okay, 35 hours verifiable. I've been working on this project, but I have 3 more videos or 2 more videos that are sitting in storage about to be launched. So dude, I've put in some work. I know I'm not the greatest developer in the world. Yes, I got a 7-hour video, 35, 42, and then I got a 6-hour video. So 48 hours. I put in 48 working hours on Eliza. I learned TypeScript, which was a huge win because the transactions land much better on Solana with TypeScript. That's what we figured out. Another thing we figured out is that Eliza is not plug and play. It is not easy. ZeroPi, I figured out, was super easy to get up, and I didn't get it fully running in 4 hours, but I could tell it's in Python. So that's the big problem with, in my opinion, Eliza is, if I don't know what their vision is, I think it's bigger than trading. So if it's just like a side quest to be a trading AI agent, I need to it's my main quest. It's my main quest. I don't care about these agents talking on Twitter and Discord. It's fine. Do that. That's cute. Whatever. I'm not trying to be cute around here. I'm trying to take what I've learned in the last 4 years. Now, it's not everything in the world. Of course not. I'm not the best in the world at this, but I appreciate you guys holding me to the standard just because I have a YouTube video and I can speak good. I'm grateful for you, dude. I'm grateful for you putting me up on that pedestal with Jim Simons. I like it. Keep putting me up there with Mike and Jim.
Nobody. Right. You're nothing without discipline because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do, but
Do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote. Mm-hmm. And if you can do that, you could be successful in anything.
You normally
You
are.
normally are, dude. So this is my attempt. I've put in 40, 50 hours on Eliza, and I learned TypeScript. I was able to change all of my main trading functions, but then this last like 12 hours has really irked me, dude. It's really irked me. And in 12 hours, I could rebuild this package just for trading. And that's all I want. Because I'm building AFI, bro. That's it. Artificial financial intelligence. We are building artificial financial intelligence with focus. When artificial general intelligence arrives, which is like this month, artificial financial intelligence will thrive in trading and investing, whether public or private markets. AI will always have the upper hand. If you're a crack dev and you want to ensure that AFI is available to everyone, not just the elites, then join MoonDev and community in building AFI, dude. AGI is inevitable. You know that. AFI will be better at trading and investing. Let's just make sure that it's not just for Wall Street. How about that? Okay, that's where I'm going this year. I'm done teaching people how to automate their trading. You can join the bootcamp if you want to get caught up to speed with me. I am done teaching people how to automate their trading. It's all here. Everything I know about automating my trading and every system I've ever built, I teach you everything, dude. So you have the bootcamp, and every week I update it. But from here on out, today, this boot camp with anything about people. I am working how to bring this step-by-step process of automating your trading. I figured out how to get it to people, and people are hard to teach. You know that, dude. People are hard to get through. They have all of these reasons they can't do something. AI does not have that problem. I don't know how long the Algo Trade Camp will be here for, but as long as I'm here, I will keep updating for inside the boot camp. So it says 15 days. It's really 40 days because every Friday I update people on exactly what I've built in the week prior. And I'm just building and building and building and building and updating. But this is the PSA, dude. Everything from here on out is going to be about agents until I'm done with it. And when I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I stopped having fun with fiddling around with TypeScript and fiddling around with Eliza in order to build for a package that is just not even focused, dude. Like, tell me, what's their main thing they're attacking? Exactly, dude. It's like so much stuff going on. So I support them. Much love to them. I will still get my PR in. I will make sure that you get the code that I built for Eliza, but I'm going to explore if it's possible to do this in a more focused manner because I'm getting stuck here with BS like Discord and Telegram, and I had to switch languages. Biggest thing. I want to get comfy again for the new year. I want to go ahead and get everything I know about algorithmic trading sent over to my agents. So I want to be able to compare 2025 results to 2024 results. So in 2026, I will be able to give you a report of 4 years of me trading or people in the Discord trading versus 1 full year of agents trading. Because it's Jan 1, baby. It's Jan 1. I don't know what the fuck you doing this year, dude, but I'm taking everything I know and giving it to these agents, dude. So let's start building. That's it. I hope you guys are having a great start to your new year. I obviously am, always am. I always love life, and I am so, so grateful to be in this world here at this time. Let's go ahead and drop the live here now that I gave you what I'm trying to do. Happy New Year, fam. Happy New Year, fam. Let's get it. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Every day, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, public chat? I'm going to say hello to you guys one final time, but I'm building for agents now, so they don't have weird questions. Yo, how do you do crypto trading on Solana? You should watch my YouTube video, dude. Have you played with virtual? No, I haven't. Hey, gang, how y'all doing? I'm doing great. Happy New Year, dude. Needed precision and particular agents for tasks. Exactly, Justice. I think these need precision. They're doing too much for me. For me. That's not hate. That's not shade. They're shipping, which is fucking far. How does the clipping work, Moondev? You should read the thing, dude. He says, hey, homeboy asked, how does the clipping work? Okay, let's just go read it. Clips here. That's exactly how it works. If you got specific questions after reading all of this, bring some heat, bro. This is 2025, dog. I got no patience for no stupid questions, dude. Not stupid, but like, come on, ask a question out of that. You have that whole thing. And he's tagging me like 12 times. Sorry, biggest Dave. I'm dragging every single human that brings some BS to me. And if you tag me one more time, I will never, ever allow you to watch another show again. I promise you. I promise you, dude. Autonomous agents is what they're going for. Doesn't seem like the fit for what you're doing. Thanks, John Smith. I'm glad we're on the same page. Lucky Games, what's up? Happy New Year. Dog, can you see my chat? Someone let me know. Send this man a link. I can't see links. They won't let you click links. Let's block Biggest Dave, dude. Let's block Biggest Dave. He's spamming the chat with the same question. With a question that's literally answered in the Clips channel. Ask the question, dude. If you read that, then go ahead and ask the question. This is why I don't fuck with the YouTube chat, B. Like it's long form. Yeah, dude. Long form, bro. Ask a question, dude. Ask a question. Ask a question, dude. Your questions are not questions. You said, how does the clipping of your videos work? Look at the fucking chat, dude. Clips, bro. Clips. Clips, bro. Read it, and then if there's a specific question there, then hit me. Then hit me. Then hit me, cuz. Then hit me, B. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm not fucking with nobody this year. Sorry. I'm done with people. I am only training agents. You guys can come along for the ride if you'd like. I don't care if you do. I don't care if you don't. Your $69 is not going to change my life. It's going to put a gate up so I ensure that I'm only around people stepping on the gas. Much love to you guys. Is this live in 2025? It's not, dude. This is still 2024, dude. You are still in 2024 and I'm in 2025. That's the only person that's in 2025 right now because ain't nobody working. I've been up for 2-3 hours, B. Come on, let's step on the gas. It's time. Let's get up. Let's get your ass up and let's go. Is it live in 2025? Dude, step on the gas, B. Step on the gas. He's worried about if I'm live or not. That's why y'all ain't gonna make it, B. That's why you on the outside ain't gonna make it, dude. You ain't gonna make it. Have you made it to the point where you don't have to develop anymore? Yeah, dude, I don't even develop anymore. I just give the ideas. All right, that was the last chat for me. Much love to you guys. I will see you in 2026 with the results. So let's go ahead and first off, before I get too excited here, okay, so let me give you the synopsis here. No. I'm gonna open up a GitHub. Actually, let's just do it here because this is what I'm working on this year. So, frequently asked questions, alpha generation, book list, machine learning, free PDFs. I don't have an algo trading cheat sheet, so that's literally what this is. Free PDFs, code from YouTube. Let's just do a let's do a duplicate of this one here. This is free, by the way. AI agents for trading. What's the emoji going to be is the real question. That's the real question of today. No, dude. I'm just going to put it right here. Fuck these AI prompts. Yeah, fuck that. We out on that. Oh, shit. AI agents for trading. Okay, we're going to remove all this. You don't know anything about that. Okay. Oh, snap. Yeah, we're going to just delete all this. Hope you didn't want it. Delete it now. Okay, so let's just explain this vision here. Because if you have the vision, you understand everything.
Still to be happy about.
You're up too old.
What up, Lexa?
Not finished.
Good to see you, bro.
Finished? No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. Okay. In the main mission is to build artificial financial intelligence, which is a focused version of AGI for trading and investing. I'm going to write this out. This is again for me, dude. I mean, everything's for me. I just show you along the way authentically. That's how I do it. So, okay. The main mission is to build artificial financial intelligence. Okay. The first product will be AI agents for trading that will eventually leverage AFI. This is free on moondev.com, by the way. This is my roadmap. Steps to complete. 1. Step 1, dude. Build agents, AI agents that can control risk for manual traders. As every trader's worst skill is managing risk. If we build a way to have AI agents constantly running with hand traders, this should instantly make them more profitable. Unless they override it. But most will override the agents. Most will still override the agents and lose money. But it's the first step in building an agentic system. AI agent to trade. Always start with risk control. Risk control agents. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and say the second thing is, this kind of exit agents. build out these agents to know when to exit. This may be kind of encapsulated in the risk control agents, but we are starting with exits opposed to entries, as humans tend to have a hard time closing positions. So we need to make sure that the agents master this before entering positions. And this could change. Entry agents build out entries as they are less important than the exit. Not necessarily really, but want to make sure they can manage risk and exit first. Okay, entry agents. Okay, agents. Strategy. Executing agents. Once we have the, okay, first off, steps to complete. The first product will be AI agents for trading that will eventually leverage AFI. As I have been training humans for the last 4 years on how to automate trading here in the boot camp, I know what humans have a hard time with, that agents should be able to gain an edge on. This will all still come down to the strategies that these agents will run, but AI agents will not have the biggest problems in that traders have, that hand traders have, which are emotions, ego, fear, inconsistent position sizing, just looking at my whiteboard, dude. Patience, confidence, patience. I mean, confidence is a thing will get you wrecked in trading. Like, don't be too confident, bro. Also, don't be too unconfident. It's tough, dude. Tired. I'm gonna say tiredness. What's it called? Tiredness. Among other things, whatever. Patience and patience. So the first step will be to build AI agents for trading that will eventually leverage AFI and our custom model. There we go. As I've been training humans for the last 4 years, automate trading here in the boot camp, just so everybody is aware of what's going on here, what I'm talking about. Okay. I know what humans have a hard time with, the agents should be able to gain an edge on. This will still come down to strategies that these agents run, but AI agents will not have the biggest problems that hand traders have. I will still be running the RBI framework from the above section as a human in order to find new strategies that work in the past. But now I will have an additional testing layer, additional
I knew I
path.
was gonna make it. I just ain't know how. But I knew. This world is what you make it. You create your own environment. It all starts with a vision. What you can imagine, you can create.
Layers agents onto profitable strategies. This is a new regime we have never seen before, and the LLMs are only getting better. No, literally, no one knows what the future holds, and that is exciting to me. So I will spend my time building this AI agent platform specifically for trading. No funny business. All right, dude. Steps to complete. So if anybody comes up in here and is like, "Yo, what the? I don't know what the fuck he's working on, dude." Now you do. You know exactly what I'm working on, dude. You know exactly what I'm doing. Okay? AI agents for trading. And that's it, dude. Strategy executing agents. Once we have the above risk controls and entries and exits finished, we can start layering in profitable strategies that the agents can trade. This opens the door for something interesting, which is layering, giving decision power, giving final decision power to the agent will take a trade that a system says to take. This could be good or bad, but no one knows until we test it. Cool things like multi-agent consensus on profitable strategies is a blue ocean that not even Jim Simons was able to test out. That's exciting. Who the fuck is Jim Simons? Jim Simons. Rest in peace, dude. Much love to you. Capitalize his motherfucking name, dude. He's the GOAT, bro. He's the GOAT. If you don't know about Jim, you better learn about Jim, because he's up here with me all day, dude. He's up here with me all day. I hear him all day. I hope you hear him too. I hope you hear it, dude, because I don't put people on my screen. I don't put their sounds up here. Nothing, unless they motivate me, dog. And I am a killer, bro. I am stepping on the gas. You thought I was going to slow down in 2025? No way. No way, dude. No way. No way. This is our last year, dude. This is our last year. The main mission is to build artificial financial intelligence, which is a focused version of AGI for trading and investing. The first step will be to build AI agents for trading that will eventually leverage AFI and our custom models. Custom trading model. As I've been training humans for the last 4 years on how to automate their trading here in the boot camp, I know what humans have a hard time with. The agents should be able to gain an edge on. I know exactly what you guys have a hard time with, because I have the same hard time with it. This will all still come down to the strategies that the agents run, but AI agents will not have the biggest problems that hand traders have, which are emotions, ego, fear, inconsistent position sizing, tiredness, and patience. I will be running the RBI framework from the above section. Can I link to that above section? From the above section as a human in order to find new strategies that work in the past. But now I have an additional path to build new algos that layer. I'm not going to put quote unquote algos. I'm not going to demean myself, dude. You fucking throw a quote at me, I'll punch you in the mouth. you fucking throw a quote. You quote anything I say, I'll punch you in the mouth. I'll tell you that much right now, dude. I'll tell you that much right now. If you quote anything about me, dude, I'll punch you in the mouth. You ain't quoting nothing I say, okay? This is a new regime we have never seen before, and the LLMs are only getting better. Literally, no one knows what the future holds. And that is exciting to me. So I will spend my time building this AI agent platform specifically for trading. No funny business. Y'all boys better keep stepping on the motherfucking gas over there on Eliza. All this, dude. You better stop fucking stepping on the gas. Remember to put in your agent prompts that your agents need to remain positively aligned to humanity. All right, I'm not reading the rest of that. Dude, you got to step on the gas, boy. You got to step on the gas. Treat them like they will take everything to the literal extreme of what you ask. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to make sure. You know I got my manifest in there, bro. You know I got my manifest. I appreciate you always calling that out. You know I got my manifest in there. And my manifest will be very, very clear to be like me. I don't know if I think I'm a good person. I think I'm a good person. I think I lead with love. I think I am a good person. I do. I hope that bleeds through this, everything I'm building here. And I will always keep my manifest in there. And I am different. I know I'm different. I get it. I'm different. So if you fuck with me, dude, you're going to fuck with this AFI, dude. And some people will probably call it woke. Some people will probably call it this. Some people will call it that. But if you fuck with Moon, I'm building this. So, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to keep it. We're going to keep it aligned to humanity. I care about humans. I love everybody, dude. So I think you deserve a star for this, for keeping us on path. Much love to you. Thank you. Thank you, Rev. I'm going to put your star back on here. We need that. We need that balance. We do need that balance. We do need that balance of caution, because this is a whole new realm. Got to make sure that these agents lead with love. Got to make sure that they're on our team. He makes a good point. They'll do everything to the literal extreme of what you ask them to do. We'll see. I guess we'll see. I'm going to keep this contained. I'm keeping it a private project. I was thinking about this last night. No, I'm not building this on GitHub. This is going to be too dirty. And Rev, I think you're going to like to know that. You're going to like to know that. I was actually thinking of you when I thought of that last night. I was just like, you know what? Fuck this open source shit for this, because number one, y'all niggas hate on me so much. The public hates on your boys so much. What the fuck am I gonna build for you guys for? No fucking way. I showed you guys everything in the last 4 years. There ain't no way I'm building this open source. Fuck no. Fuck open source. This is closed source, dude. This is closed source for the people close to me. We're building AFI. Maybe later we'll make it open source, but not now. It's too early. We don't know what they can do yet. We don't know if it's gonna go good or bad. Maybe open source later, but I'm keeping this bitch closed source from here on. So if you're looking for the GitHub, keep looking, B. Everything is on YouTube though. So if you watch every single second, you're gonna see me build this entire thing. So it is kind of open source. It's kind of open source, but I got a lot to build, boy. I got a lot to build.
Back at it again, 7 to 9. Look how much more training I have done by simply starting at 4, right? And so now you do that, and as the years go on, the separation that you have with your competitors and your peers just grows larger and larger and larger and larger and larger. And by year 5 or 6, doesn't matter what kind of work they do in the summer, they're never going to catch up.
If somebody asks what I'm doing on these lives for this year, 2025, just direct them to the roadmap at moondev.com and then this AI agents for trading section. Because I am conscious about, there's a big problem that I'm going too hard. I jump in every day and I just go. I get that. I'm not making intros. I do make an intro. I don't know if you guys catch that. I do make an intro. So I do try to get you caught up to speed on what I'm doing for the day. But if I'm live all the time, people are always asking like, yo, Moon, what are you doing, dude? What are you doing? What are you working on? What are you working on? It's like, I'm not going to answer that question in 2025. Again, I'm not building for humans anymore. I'm building for agents, and they know exactly what the fuck I'm doing because I have this README here. This is the README. This is what we're building. If anybody asks in the chat, please, please, please help me out. Actually, help them out because I don't give a fuck. I'm stepping on the gas. I'm building for agents now, dude. So I love you. I truly do. I believe code is a great equalizer. I truly believe you should learn how to code. That's why I've spent the last 4 years in your ear begging you to learn how to code because the time is now. We aren't going to have this ability for much longer, bro. They're going to take over and I'm building for that. So if anybody asks what I'm doing, they can see it now. So that's it, dude. That's it. If anybody asks, just send them here. Send them here, dude. Whoa, bro. There we go. If anybody asks what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing. It's a Moon. Yes, exactly. You got it. You got it real now. Thank you, bro. Very balanced approach. Appreciate your love, dude. Appreciate you. Okay, let's get it now. Let's get it then. What's the first step? Well, I'm going to open up a GitHub. This is what we're doing. If you got any questions, I'm going to actually answer all questions you have for the next 2 minutes. I got 2 minutes of questions, Q&A here, dude. So throw them in the chat if you got them. This is a fresh chat. Let's see here. If you got any questions, you got 2 minutes, dude. Is this live in 2025? Yes. Mike says he admires my step on the gas. Much love, dude. You're speaking to an AI, Roberto. Roberto, yes. GodX says if you deploy your course on Udemy, it's easy for selling. I don't want to sell it no more, dude. I told you I was gonna burn this bitch down by the end of the year, and I did. It's done. It's done. If you want to join the boot camp, you can join it. Sure, I don't care. But I'm not building for humans anymore, dude. Why am I gonna go to Udemy? I'm building AFI, fam. I'm building artificial financial intelligence. He's telling me go to Udemy. Like, I give a fuck. I gave you 4 years of my all. I showed you everything. I begged you to learn how to automate your trading so you can learn how to code. I don't care if you become a profitable trader because you probably won't work hard enough to do it. I want you to learn how to code so you can put your whole family on, dude. I believe code's a great equalizer because we're the only ones that can control these AIs. Okay, sweet. You explained yourself for a while now. I'm done explaining myself. I'm done, dude. Much love to you. If you ain't got no questions for me, that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and dive in then, dude. Yes. He said you should learn how to break down a rifle while running through the woods. I know how to do that, dude. I got a rifle right here. I'm just kidding. I don't have any guns. I'm just kidding. Just in case. That was a joke. That was a joke, feds. That was a joke, dude. You fucking raid me, you're gonna be laughing at yourself, dude. I just told you I was joking. Where is the anger coming from? The anger's coming from I'm a fierce competitor, dude. I'm a fierce competitor. And anybody that's trading against me, I'm trying to take all of your money. That's it. That's where the anger comes from. And people tagging me and shit too. Tagging me while I'm building AFI, dude. This game is mine. Because I'm focused. I'll dip in, dip out. I'll check out Eliza. Okay. I'll check out Zero Bro. Okay. Neither of them are focused. That's why I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that much. I love how they're stepping on the gas, but they don't know where they're going. I was just able to write exactly what I'm spending my time on for 1 full year here. I got the exact step-by-step plan here, dude. And it's right here on the screen. I was able to write this out in 10 minutes? Why? Because I'm focused. Why? Because I spend all my time on this, dude. All my time. Rev almost got me back in yesterday. He posted my favorite meme. He said he sent me the gold digger meme, the one where you just keep digging, dude. I used to have that on my screen, bro. I had that on my screen every day. That was my background. That one hit, dude. But you know I'm never stopping. I'm never quitting. I have a vision. You know that, Rev. I'm just not always gonna tell you what my next play is until I'm doing it. And we're here. I think there's a more focused version of AI agents to at least explore. And maybe I'm totally wrong. But I just spent 40 hours on a package. I could dive back in no time. And I can ask for help in the Discord. I can get that going. But I need to explore. What would 40 hours of my time with AI, what would it look like? What would it look like if I was building my own agent platform, dude? Because they got all types of shit up in that. There's so many unfocused things in that Eliza package, and good for them. They're stepping on the gas. I love it. It's all love. I'm not trying to drag them. And I will submit the PR, but I think focus always wins. I think it always wins. So we'll see. Dude. Jamigison says they want us divided though. Keep your real ones close. I keep my real ones super close, B. I appreciate you, dude. Thanks for keep that vibe going, dude. Much love to you. They do want us divided. They do want us divided. I don't want to be around the public no more. And it's kind of weird because I got this YouTube channel. I love that gold digger meme too, yeah. I see your vision. I love it. Yes, dude. I'm aligned with you. We're perfectly aligned. I've got a cool vision too. It's not AFI like you, but thanks to you, I'm inspired to build my vision too. We both help humanity in our own ways. Yes, dude. Yes. We all got our own experiences, our own visions, but we step on the gas together. We motivate each other. He tried to get me right back in yesterday. He saw that I was getting frustrated. And he knows me so well. He doesn't even know me, but he found me somehow, and we're so aligned. He sent one meme that was literally the meme of my life. I love that meme. The gold digger meme, dude. It's just like the best thing ever. And I will never stop. I will never stop. But I will pivot. I will pivot. I will pivot. I will pivot to success. And that's all I've ever done. That's all I've ever done is pivot to success. But I love this man for this, dude. This made me realize he's a real one. I already knew he was dope, but this, where is it at, bro? This right here, dude. He saw me getting frustrated, and he was like, "Oh, Moon, don't forget, dude. Don't forget. Don't forget. Keep digging, dude." I ain't never seen that trash part, though. I've never seen this second part of it. I never saw that part. That's funny. But yeah, that's a good meme, dude. That's like an OG. That's an OG meme. So let's get it, dude. I'm going to get some water here. And then we're just going to start coding. I want to take note here. Okay, again, fam, if they ask what I'm doing, it's all here. It's all here. Actually, I'm gonna close the chat here. Well, not close it, but the YouTube chat, I'm going to lock it real quick. Just so we don't have any silly billies up in here today. No silly billies allowed.
Great quote that said, "Rest at the end, not in the middle." And that's something I always live by. I'm not going to rest. I'm going to keep on pushing now. There are a lot of answers that I don't have, even questions that I don't have. But I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to keep going, and I'll figure these things out as we go, right? And you just continue to build that way. So I try to live by that all the time.
Rest at the end.
Rest at the end.
Honestly, I'm going to make this a 5. Data collecting agents. Sentiment. We can use Twitter and Discord in order to get sentiment of the markets. Twitter, Discord, Telegram, but this later. This is much later. I have no clue how much later because I don't know what I don't know. Of the markets, and have these agents use that to either trend or counter trend the overall sentiment. All right, dude, that's what I'm building. So what you building, Moon? What's Moon building today? I don't know. You should step on the gas, though. You should step on it. I'm about to lock the fuck in. I swear to God. I swear to God, I'm about to lock in. I swear to God, dude. This is crazy. I got my vision out before 8 a.m. My vision is live before 8 a.m. Get up off me, B. The vision is here. I'm here. I'm locked. Where are you? Where are you, dude? Where are you? Where are you? Where art thou? Homeboy says he's building the same thing started 2 months ago. I'm gonna fly by you, bro. You better get in the Discord. I'll tell you that much because I'm about to fly by you. I'm about to fly. He pretty much said he's trying to compete with me. I'm about to step on the gas, dog. I'm a competitor this year. I'm not playing with the public. If you're not in the members area, I'm taking you down, dude. So he's trying to reduce the feature set the model is trained on. Yeah, you focus on the wrong thing. I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you that much. You focus on the wrong thing. I got the perfect things to focus on, dude. I'm sorry. I turned on the competition mode this year. Before it was nice. I was teaching people. I'm not teaching people no more. I'm teaching my agents what I learned. What I learned from teaching people. Nah, bro, I'm locked in. He said, all right, let's see. Hey, dude, this is the good part about this is let's see in like 10 years. I can't wait. I hope we both got the best platforms for AI agents. Truly, dude. I love it. I love it. He's locked in. I'm locked in. We both locked in. He more locked in than me though. He's been here for 2 years. So get it, dude. I can't wait. I can't wait to see what you build, bro. I'm giving you all the love in the world because I truly believe those who lock in and build are the only ones that are going to have any power in the future. So it's me and him. Me and OD. Me and OD, ODB, old dirty bastard. Let's get it, dude. OD. I'ma check in on you. Come through the stream every week or two, dude, and let me know how it's going. You know. And if you're in the Discord, dude, then please do ping me. I wish you luck. I wish you the best. You're gonna need a lot of luck to compete with me, but I really, really want you to succeed. Because if you succeed, I'm for sure succeeding. You know. Because I'm more locked than you are. And I got the things you don't have yet. So that's fire. That's fire. Competition breeds greatness. Competition breeds greatness, dude. So much love to you, OD. I can't wait. I can't wait, dude. Okay, good. Millions tick. Okay, dude. Feel free to tag me and just say what's up. Um, yeah, dude. Good luck, dude. Much love to you. I love seeing that. All right, I'm gonna drink some water and then I'm gonna lock. I'm gonna get locked. I don't know what's going on, dude. I don't know what's going on with that, dude. So whatever. You can read this while I'm gone. I just gotta here. Let's make it a little bit bigger here, so you can see everything. You understand what's going on, fam? Your job is to get everybody on the same page if they come through and ask me what I'm doing, dude. So I'm gonna go get that water. I don't know what happened to my little videos that I started trying to hold you down, but OD says he's got this because he's been coding since 2012. I've only been coding since 2021, so this is gonna be quite embarrassing when I beat you to the end game. But I wouldn't have told me that, dude. He OD said he's been coding since 2012, and I have been wanting to go head to head with somebody that's been coding for way longer than me, dude. This is gonna be great. I'm saving your name, dude. I'm checking in on you. You better check in, dude. You better check in. He said millions tick here. He said he'd been coding for So at Millions Tick here. At Millions Tick said he is also building an AI agent trading platform, and he's been coding since 2012. He's the perfect nemesis. He's the perfect nemesis. I want to show these motherfuckers that have been coding for 10 years that you can't compete with me, dude. I want to show these, I'm going to quote, coders that have been coding for years that they can't compete with me. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care how long you've been coding. Good luck, bud. Good luck. That's what I needed, dude. I needed to hear that. That's the trigger right there. That was the trigger right there, dude. He said 2012. I've only been coding since 2021. Okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. He's the perfect nemesis. Now let's take him down, and hopefully he elevates us to a place that he can't even get to, dude. Remember, competition breeds greatness, and that's why I go so hard on the haters, dude. The people that think I can't do this, why do I acknowledge them? Because it breeds greatness. It fires me up, dude. And he's not a hater. He's building the same thing, but I'm going at his neck, dude. 2012? Yeah, right. Nice, dude. That's so dope that you were able to convert somebody into a coder. Please, everybody, get all your friends to learn how to code if they're gamers. If they're gamers, turn them into coders, bro. I'm over here. Like, to be honest, dude, my 2025 was either build this or get a PlayStation 5 and just say YOLO, fuck it, I'm done. I'm done,
How
dude.
good you are in
I
anything,
got
you
my
don't have discipline,
systems.
you ain't nobody.
Right.
You're nothing without discipline. Because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote. And if you can do that, you could be successful in anything.
You know, you normally are.
So yeah, dude, gaming and trading, algo trading is the same thing. So I decided not to get the PS5 yet. But if I do, I'm gonna pivot this whole bitch into a motherfucking game stream. So those are my options for 2025. Yo, good morning, dude. Thanks for stopping by. It sounds like he's a futures trader, dude. I'm not even over there, so good for you, bro. Much love to you. Please do step on the gas every day. And please do let me know how it goes. Much love. Have a great day, dude. I got a fraud warning from somebody in the boot camp. So somebody in the boot camp is about to hit me with a chargeback. So I just kick them out of the boot camp and refund all their money ASAP. So Stripe has this cool feature that essentially gives you an early fraud warning, and 100 times out of 100 when they send that, the guy is about to send a chargeback. So I just refund their money instantly because it's just an interesting thing that has been thrown on my plate here, dude. I have to like deal with chargebacks and stuff because people are scammers and stuff. But Stripe luckily has this system to figure out like, oh, they send hella chargebacks. They just buy stuff on the internet and then charge back. Like there's scammers out there. You know that, dude. So I've got this. I got an email right now about somebody having about or being a scammer essentially, and they got an early fraud warning. So I'm just kicking them out of the boot camp, refunding every single penny because the boot camp is 100% money back guarantee. It's a 90-day guarantee. But while that should make you feel good about joining, it's also for me because I don't deal with dickheads. I don't deal with people that are super like not chill guys. If you're not a chill guy, I don't deal with them. Obviously, scammers I don't deal with. So I'm this money back guarantee is super sick for you. It should feel good for you to be able to jump in, and even if you don't like it, you can keep everything, dude. I hope that I hope that makes you feel secure. And anybody in the boot camp, this stays. This is 90 days, dude. I want it to be the Costco guarantee. But at the end of the day, what I'm trying to get to is if I don't fuck with you, I just give you your money back. Or if you're a scammer, I give you your money back because I don't want to get chargebacks. I don't want none of that. I don't want no smoke, dude. I want no smoke. I want to be focused on quant. That's it. I'm building AFI, my guys. I'm building AFI. So all right, sick. I got him out of there, dude. I got him out of there. I got him out of there. He's out of there, dude. I got you on this one. Okay, he got pandas and NumPy installed already. Good for him. He got pandas and NumPy. He ain't got shit, but he ain't got me, but he ain't got me, dog. He ain't got me. He ain't got me, but glad you're here. I love this game, dude. I love this game. You ain't got me though. Not me. Not me, big dog. Not me. I got myself. That's it. Yeah. He got himself. Okay, dude. So we're live here. We're about to lock in. I know. But I said on at 8. I said on at 8. It's still an hour before 8, bro. If you're on the East Coast. I'm on the AST coast. So we up before the East Coast, dude. We up before the East Coast. We are way before the East Coast, dude. I just had to make sure to refund that dude. I don't fuck with scammers. I don't fuck with non-chill guys. I don't fuck with taggersons. If you tag me too many times, I block you. I refund you. If you disturb me too many times, I block you and refund you. I'm not building for people anymore, dude. You have everything I know. You literally have everything I know in this boot camp, dude. And Black Friday was over a long time ago. So you have literally everything I know in this boot camp. If you want to learn everything I know and get caught up to speed with me, you have the boot camp, the Algo Trade Camp. It's not going to change. It's here and it's only getting better. But from here on out, day 40 on is going to be all for agents until I get sick of it, until I get bored with it. If I get bored with it, I'll change. I don't have to play by nobody else's rules. And that's why I love this life, dude. I love this life. So I'm about to lock in here. I'm just going to go ahead and you can go ahead and read what we're about to build. I'll BRB.
Still to be happy about.
You're up 2-0.
Job's not finished. Job finished? No, I don't think so.
Damn near anything we could think is real. And if it's not, we could create it. See, that's the gift we were given. To evolve, advance, create. I create my own world.
All right, you ready, right? Okay, you understand what we're building. All right, let's get it. Damn, I hope you read it by now, at least. I hope you read it by now. I know it's been a minute. Okay, so let's lock in. First up, I got a list to do today. So, as always, I got a list. This is what we're doing. If people don't understand what we're doing, then just send them to moondev.com. I know this is it's hard. It's hard to keep everybody up to date on what I'm building at the exact time, but hey, this is how to do it. This is just send them there. So people are going to be confused all day for the next year. Every day for the next year, they're going to be confused. So now that you know how to do that, let's just get it, dude. I love this game. I'm so grateful to be here. Let's close a bunch of tabs here. Okay, so first things first, I need to get the GE results here onto Notion. So these GEs are essentially evolutionary algorithms that run and they create strategies. They create a million strategies. I use Lambda Cloud, spend about $100 a day on this when I do run them. And essentially, they make millions of strategies. So you can see it took 6.7 hours yesterday. I'm getting better, 103 versus 96. Now I'm just waiting on some next runs. So coming up with some ideas to change the grammar and analyzing the results of the past ones. And pretty much every week, I'll probably run this three times a week. I don't know yet. Yo, but nice MacBook Minis, bro. Nice MacBook. Fire setup, bro. Fire setup. I love the Mac. I love the MacBook Minis right there. With the MacBook on the side. And the Lytro. I see you, bro. I see you, dog. It's a good setup with the bowl. Let's get it, dude. Let's absolutely get it, dude. I fuck with you heavy, bro. I fuck with you heavy. I'm glad you're here, Alex. You seem like a chill guy. You seem like a real chill guy, and I like to be around chill guys. Okay, so we made like, I think 14 million strategies this week. Let's go ahead and see here. So this is 1 million. And then this is 2 million here because the population size is 20,000 instead of 10,000. So 10,000 times 100 is 1 million. So it makes 1 million strategies by morphing and mutating and doing all types of funny business in order to come up with new strategies. And the computers just run for a long time and do that. It's math. And if you can use math, you can come up with any strategy in the entire world. So that's what I'm doing. I'm building that. And I've been writing this for 3 months now, but I don't know. This might take 3 years. I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to take. But again, time is irrelevant. And this is a new regime we're stepping into with AFI and these agents that we're building. So I want those agents to have all of my hard work from the past, and I feel like the last 4 years has led me to what I'm running now. Of course, I'm only working on the most urgent things, dude. So this is the pinnacle, dude. We have a machine learning like algorithm that makes millions of strategies. That's beautiful, dude. And it's coming in with the most beautiful crossroads right now with AI, dude. That's gonna allow us to build AGI, and the first step here is to go ahead and build this out, what we just went over here. So let's just open it up. In order to get my millions of strategies into my AI agents, I gotta be able to do it as well. Like, so there's a whole testing process here. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Stop it, Moon. Stop it. 1-1. Build AI agents to do this testing process we have after the runs are done. Okay, that's a great idea, dude. I do. Yo, I gotta read through this, dude. I gotta read through this. I gotta read through what's going on in the public chat right now, dude. I gotta read through this. Okay, so I want to have agents do this testing process when their runs are done because This is where we do the robustness testing, and it's a little bit of a process. Essentially,
You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple. This is what I believe, and I'm willing to die for it. Period.
all right, so I believe this is the way to implement agents into trading is just automating every single piece step by step. Yeah, that's it. Step by step. Just do that step by step and it'll be Gucci. Things will be Gucci if we just go step by step, task by task. That's it, dude. That's it. Nothing else to it. Nothing else to it. Nothing else to it, dude. Okay. Perfect. Any process that I see from here on out, I'm building an agent for it. This boy, he full blown agents, dude. I mean, we built them in the past. They're always exciting AF, dude. I love this game. It's an easy way to run up the credits. That's one thing. To be cognizant of. All right, sick. I want to read through this. I want to see what these mofos are talking about because this guy's building something pretty cool too. He's using Q learning, and that's kind of exciting. First off, I need to get this done. Get the GEs to Notion, but that's not like it's not dire. It's not dire because I got the data. I've already ran it. I've got all the data on my computer. I just need to get it into my Notion for tracking. There's no way I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. That's for sure, dude. For sure. So I'm gonna get that done. Hmm. Let's just get it in there real quick, and then I'll go catch up on that. Okay. I'll catch up on that later. I'll catch up on that later, dude. I'm gonna copy the link here. Copy message link. Catch up on these messages in the public chat. Sounds like some cool conversations going on there. Cool conversations. I got interested in Q learning. I was like, it's nice, just NumPy and pandas. I was interested in that. That's dope. That's cool. I see what y'all are building. I see what y'all are building, but I see you at the boo, dude. I see you at the boo. All right, let's go ahead here and say, I want to implement this into, okay, I'm just going to run this real quick. I'm going to go ahead and get my data here. So GE test. So essentially, let's wrap up the year's data here. And essentially, I need to go ahead and in my results folder here, I got to pull in those two new folders. We ran 14 million tests or 14 million strategies last week. And I want to get all of those into the folder and all of the results tracked here. So let's go ahead and say reveal in folder here, finder. And here we're going to go ahead and grab my downloaded strategies here. Don't delete, please. GE results, and we got to get it for the last 2 days. So December 30th was the first one. I'm gonna say copy. Okay, copy and then paste up in there. Ah, fudge. Ain't gonna work like that, not like that, not like that, like this. Okay, we're gonna copy that up in there. Perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for 31. But first, let's go ahead and get these down first. Let's get these down first. So on 30, on the 30-minute, and then the second day was on the 240-minute fold. Okay. So now you can see all the folders. These are all the strategies, dude. GE results. There should be 1 million strategies here using data. Oh, that's 1,000. There should be 1 million strategies here in this one. What was the testy? So 972,000. There's going to be a percentage that fail because some of the math is just too complex or something. There's many reasons they may fail. The strategy, the grammar doesn't produce rules that make sense, but 973,000 is pretty solid. And I did it multiple times, 6 times, I don't know, 7 times, 8 times, I don't know. We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 runs, but 2 of the runs were for 2 million strategies. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this over here to the Notion. Notion results. Sender. Okay, I'm just gonna run this now. Let's see if it gets them all because there's gonna be one little error I foresee, and that's that essentially oh, I didn't get any of them. $12.30 successfully added to Notion. I don't see it. It's there though. It's there. And the problem happens. Look, there's 5 of them. No, 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 no. This one doesn't count. Let's see how many there actually are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the problem did happen. There was a problem getting all of my results on Notion, and I think the reason is because essentially
Still to be happy about.
You're up too old.
Job's not finished. Job finished?
I don't think
I
so.
don't think so.
There's a problem with this right now since the population size is not in the name of this. The Notion doesn't receive all of the results because, for example, I have one file that the only difference is one has 10,000 population and the other has 20,000. So right now I got 5 out of the 6 results onto my Notion, but I'm missing a couple. It's actually 5 out of 7 results. I got that out of my Notion, but it's missing the couple because of the population not being on the name, so it thinks it already found it or something like that, I think. But you look through the code and let me know, fix it, please. Thank you. Much love to you. So I see the issue. The problem is that the check existing entry function where it's checking for duplicates based on the folder name, population size, and generations, but the population size wasn't part of the folder name until now. Add population size to folder name, which you've already noted. I'm actually going to delete all of these just because it's going to get a little funky monkey up in here. It's going to get a little funky up in here, dude. For the rest of the year, I'm building for the AI now, so I need to make sure to speak very, very clearly. If I don't speak clearly, please let me know. That's just me getting a little tired or just falling back into who I am. I'm sorry, dude. I'm different than you. I'm different. I'm a different kind, dude. It's hard to compete with me. I'm sorry you can't. Maybe you can, but I hope you can. That'd be fire, dude. That'd be super fire, man. If you could compete with me, dude, come on. Let's go. Let's go all the time. I got my hoodie on today. Yes, I told you it's going to be a very dark, cold winter. I'm locked, dude. That was my goodbye. That was my hello and goodbye. I gave you 4 years of my life, dude. Much love to you. But now I have to build for the AI because it's the only person I can build for now. Why, dude? Because it's smarter than me, it's smarter than you. She a little sassy sometimes, but that's cool. That's cool with me, dude. You do you. I'm gonna do me. The dude that just uses AI all day. Oh my God. Let's go ahead and see if this fixed the problem. We should have many more now. Not many more, but a couple more. Let's see. Okay, we got 2. All right, we got 4. We got 5. I wonder what the problem is, dude. Let's go ahead and look at our data, dude. Let's see if we deserve them all. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. This one doesn't get 1. This one doesn't get 1. 5. Okay, it's actually right. But what happened? I feel like I missed one. Damn, dude. How many did this make? This made 1 million and I didn't get the final results. This one got 500,000 and didn't get it. That's okay though. That's okay. A couple misses on this batch. But that's okay. That's okay because we got 5. So we got one of them didn't count. One of them was just a testy. So we got 4, bro. We got 4. So it's 5 million strategies because one of them was 2 million. 1, 2, 3. 10,000 population size is 10,000 times 100. So 20,000 turns into 2 million. Okay, let's go look at the fitness form. This fitness is here, 4,500. 4,500. And the results here, oh, final results. This is way easier. So much easier. That's why I'm like, what am I doing, dude? Okay, so 1230 CP95. Yeah, this is it. 4,500. We were there. We were there. I was just confused. Like, damn, this is hard, bro. I don't usually have to work this hard. I'm out here working hard today. This one, negative 6,200. Negative 6,200. Be sure to motherfucking be clear as shit with your words for the rest of your life, Moon. For the rest of your life, you're here on YouTube. Make sure that the translation AI can understand you. I'm building the future, dude. And you are too. Let's get it, bro. The thing is I need to be careful here. Was this right? Was this right? So this was 185, 85, and yeah, that should be fine. 85, 75. Okay, 75. This one here is 75 right here. This last one here is 75. What's this one then? That's the testy. This one's negative 3,500. Okay, sick, dude. And this was oh, what's that do? Basic and it's different I need to have a grammar file, dude. Let's open this up. Can I do this? Yes, I can do that. I can do it. I could do anything, dude. I could do anything, dude. I could do anything, anything, anything. I could do anything, dude. Anything, anything, anything. I can do anything, dude. Duplicate this motherfucking because we haven't changed the fitness, dude. We haven't changed the fitness, so this isn't even it. This ain't even the one. How do you duplicate this motherfucking column? How do you duplicate this column, bro? I could dupe every other property, but not this one. Bet, dupe it. Dupe it, dupe it, dupe it. Okay, so we're going to say this is called grammar. But I don't know if that's going to be possible. Yeah, I'm just going to ignore that for now. No, 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 no. We're not going to ignore that. We're going to put this one here. BTC basic and. Let's make this smaller, dude. This is the thing that's been changing. All right, sick. So we got all that in there. Now I can go back to this folder here and just delete these. These are big, dude. I gotta delete them. I already got them down here, so I don't want to have double time. I don't want double time, dude. Make sure you speak clearly. The rest of your time here, Moondev, you're doing it for the AI. You're doing it for the AI. I'm sorry, people. I built for AI now. Let's go ahead and get the results from the other day here. December 31. Those are 207. I was just making sure. I was kind of scared about that. It's like, what the heck? Why am I on 31 already? I'm already in that folder, but I must have been doing this and then just like, nah, slow down, do it one at a time.
Cause you only get one ticket, might as well enjoy the ride and just do what the fuck you wanna do.
All right, I'm sending in the new ones already. There we go. Ah, snap. I forgot to put this in there first though. So the first 4 were first 4 were 30-minute fold 1. All right, we got them all in here. Sick, dude. Let's make these as small as possible. Oh, they are. I don't need this so big, dude. Okay, sick, dude. And this is what we're building, dude. Let's go to it. So you can have access to it, bro. Smoothdev.com. All right. So we got all of these in here. And now essentially what I need to do is put in the fitness score, but I also got to do this. It's actually 30-minute fold 1 too. That's why I got a little tricky. It's like, damn, did I do the same thing twice? No, but we ran different grammars. Okay, so this would be 2 40 minutes. Fold 1. Let's pull this down here. Okay, perfect. And then the fitness here, we got to go check out the fitness. So where's the fitness at? It's right here. CP95. This is a minus 5,500. No, it's 550. 31 CP95. Oh yeah, this is it. Unless this is it. It's not though. Minus 550. Okay. Next one here is CP95 as well. This one is minus 1200. Just double check. Yes. Minus 1200. We're going the right way. The way we go is always the right way. And if it's not, then we go a different way. And then we keep going, because at the end of the day, I don't know anything. You don't either. AI knows everything. So I'm building for them now. I have to build for AI. They're way smarter than we are. I can't build for people anymore. I can't show y'all how to do this anymore. You can learn everything I know, but I'm building for AI now. I have to be. I have to be. Negative 4,000. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead here and say this one here is flatlined. Why? Why are you flatlined? Parameters, maybe that's why. Agent size, elite size. Generations, 100 generations. And why did you die like that? That is a cold way to go out. Why did you not move? What's going on, dude? I don't know. Codon size. Population size. See, that's not it. Population size on this one. This is a weird result. I haven't seen anything like this. Never seen anything like this, but we're gonna throw it on there. It is what it is. That's an interesting thing to happen. I don't know what's going on, dude. All I know is I'm building for AI. For the rest of my life. I'm sorry, dude. I have to. It's not about me or you anymore. I'm sorry. You're too late. You missed the boat. The game's over now. Moondev he's not sharing with people no more. He's sharing, you can see it, but I'm not building, I'm not helping no more. I already put everything in the boot camp. Everything's there, dude. I showed you everything. I showed you everything for 4 years. I showed you everything just so you would learn how to code, dude. Why stare at those charts all day when you could be coding, bro? Building the future. I showed you how to build the future and you didn't want to build it, so I'm just gonna build it with AI then. I have to. That's it. That's the thesis, bro. Build the future with AI running it because there's nothing else we can do. There's nothing else we can do, dude. It's too late. They won. AI is smarter than us. AI is way smarter than us. And we all know that. We all know that. We all know that now, dude. Who's gonna put the pieces together? Moon is. That's all I know, so you better be locked, bro. You better be locked, dude. I'm locked. I'll always be here. I'll always be locked. Make sure you let me know when you're locked, dude. Throw the 777 in the chat. Let me know you're locked. Anytime you see me, you don't have to say much. It's okay. You just throw the 777 in the chat. I know you're locked. Locked, leading with love, dude. And a good mindset. Good vibration. Locked, leading in love. Come on, 777 all the time, B. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm moving over this. Oh my God. This Notion, dude, is dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. It's 1-1, baby. I'm gonna say this was 12:31 though. It's 1-1. Oh man, this is a new race. A new race, dude. Oh man. Oh man. This is exciting. The year of the agents in the market, dude. I mean, it's a pie in the sky, you know, it might not work out, but it's okay. That's what I live for, dude. That's what I'm curious about what nobody's tested yet. I want to test things that other people haven't tested. That's what I love about this game of life, dude. I'm telling you, I'm so close to getting that PS5 because I hear that new Duty is actually kind of good. So if Duty is back, I'm gonna be on the PS5. That's yeah, that's it. That's it, dude. I'm gonna be on the PS5. If Duty is back, I'm gonna be on the PS5. I just don't know if it's actually back. I need some confirmation. I'm about to get my 4 hours in every day, no matter what. Always. Contract was signed 4 years ago. Let's get it. 12:31. This was the new on 30-minute and 240-minute fold. One. Okay. Let's go ahead and screenshot it here. And then let's go ahead and put the results in a folder as well. Dev. GE results, yes. December 31st. December 31st. Copy. Oh no, I need the final results. That's right. So yes. Revealing finder. I got that finder right here, though.
Yeah. Why they acting like they working? Why they acting like they working? They don't even put the work in. Yeah.
Final results here. I'm gonna get the 30th and the 31st here. I mean, I don't even need them on my computer. All right, so gotta get that up in the cloud, dude. Gotta get that hoe in the cloud. Okay, let's keep it going then. So that was obviously a big thing I had to do today. I'm spending so much money here on Lambda, dude. 1,500 last month. It's actually not bad at all. I was about to buy the Tiny Box Pro. Tiny Box Pro is 40 racks, so I don't know, man. I don't know if the way is to build hardware anymore. I know that everybody wants me to build a machine, but like, I don't know. I kind of think that this is just gonna get cheaper and cheaper, and literally thought about building a machine at this point, and then somebody's like, why not just use Lambda Cloud? And the obvious thing is because you're gonna have to pay so much more. But I've legit been running this evolutionary algorithm process on Lambda since October 30th. Not the most time, but this is all I've needed. Because, okay, I get some of the Evo's up, and we're making 1 million strategies per run, at least. I had some mess ups in the code. You can see I had to run for 34 hours, 37 hours. Those are crazy numbers. I usually only run it during the day so I can sleep. 32 hours. We've made the code more efficient. So it was 400 every time I ran it before. Now it's 100. You're just going to make your algos better and better. And if you have a machine, you don't have the fire under your feet to make them better and better. And look, last run was $76. These are full runs that I need to get the job done. So I was looking at the Tiny Box Pro, and it costs $40,000. But obviously I'm running at this speed, like I need this speed in order to run the evolutionary algorithms for myself and later the AI, dude. I have all the data. I need some AI agents to comb through this data, dude. That's it. See what you can find. Dude, it's fire. This is fire. But you see how much cheaper than 40K this is? So all the like computer hardware dudes, I don't think you're right on that. I don't think you're right. I think they're gonna keep competing with Prime Intellect, and Prime Intellect's gonna keep competing with Lambda, and Lambda's gonna keep competing with Google, and Google's gonna keep competing with X, Y, and Z, dude. Just like we're seeing in AI. I don't think building hardware is the way, dude. This is so freeing, dude. Could you imagine Moon trying to put a computer together? Look how long it takes Moon to get something on the Notion. It takes him 2 hours. Takes him 2 hours, B. Could you imagine me trying to build a computer? It'd take me 18 years. But nah, Lambda, I just be launching the Lambda. How much have I really spent? 300, like 2,000 total, and then 3,500. So that's 3 months. That was 3 months, dude. I don't know. I would rather pay a little bit more for speed. I think speed always wins. And they're going to keep competing. Bring the price down. I don't know, dude. I could be wrong, but that's just the vision. This is my thesis. It's just a little thesis. Little thesi on you. Okay, I want to catch up on these messages now. All right, so this is the vision, dude. This is what I'm building. This is what we're building this year, right now. And if I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. That's it. I want to catch up on what's going on here. I'm getting tagged a bunch, so. Can I get some help, please? Absolutely, dude. Muna Algo Trade Camp.com with your Discord name. Okay. So small agents, Hugging Face, small agents, a bare bones library. This is gonna be needed. Thank you, bro. Much love to you, Miji. Much love to you. A bare bones library for agents. Agents write Python code to call tools. Something like this is gonna be needed. I don't know. I think it's gonna be Hugging Face though. I think it's gotta be Hugging Face. Let me go ahead and grab this GitHub and set it all up first. Where is my GitHub at? Okay. Let's say add, create new repo, and this will be called I am gonna make this public actually. I'm gonna make it public. I'm gonna make it public, dude. I'm gonna make it public. I'm gonna make something public. You know, there's gotta be you gotta be able to bring your own plugins or something. Plugins. Apps. How about apps? Yeah, let's use apps. Moondev AI agents.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Copy path. How do you do that, dude? How do I code dot from a CD path? I have a path I wanna run that command on to open up my code editor. Here's a path. So open terminal and then you CD into it. Okay, sick. Hey, that's fire, dude. Big shouts to Shaw, really. Big shouts to Shaw, for real, for real. Thank you, dude. I was watching one of his things. I should keep watching those. Cause anybody that makes coding content I need to watch because I'm just trying to absorb and learn as much as possible. AI agents for trading. Okay. This is what this is, dude. I explained it here. Can you convert this to some nice markdown for my README of the package? You can actually go ahead and read to see exactly what I'm building, but please convert, after understanding what I'm building here, convert that into some nice markdown that can act as our package's README and explain the entire vision. Nice, dude. Oh my God, they gave me too much, dude. This is too much. This is too much for me, dude. I need to take a break. I need to take a break. This is crazy. I need to take my foot off the gas, bro. This is gonna be. I'm gonna fly. Yeah, we about to fucking fly, dude. We're about to fucking fly, dude. I gotta stop. I gotta step off the gas for a minute, bro.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
If you want a pair of shoes and they're at the store, they're really at the store. You just don't have it yet. It ain't like that shit don't exist. It's just really at the store. That's how I looked at my whole life. If I want it, if I believe I can have it, then that's my reality.